Hello guys, today I'll show you about main coin seasons and alternative coin seasons. So why you should know, because it is important uh, for buying alternative coin or main coin. What is main coin? Main coin, we call it BTC right here. So we have in website coin market cap. This is the main coin, Bitcoin, yeah, BTC, and the rest for number two for to down for the rest, except number one. Number one is the main coin. For the rest alternative coins. So we have season for main coin when it is up and when it is down, and alternative coin when it is up and it is down. So yeah, and important because when it is up you can buy alternative coin, but when Bitcoin up you can buy it the Bitcoin. Yeah, so how to check it? So to check that, you go to the trading view. So we call it BTC. This is the main coin market cap, BTC dominance, and this is the season that it up between 17 January 2022. So it up while the main coin is up, the alternative coin is down. So this is from 16 January. Look at the alternative coin. So name is crypto total market cap. Okay, so it's from 16 January. 16 January, yeah. See here, see. That's from here. This all be down, yeah. That's all way down. Down, 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 down. That we call it down. And another is here. So when the main coin is down, the alternative coin is up. Example is from here, 16 March. 16 March, yeah, from here. So when the main coin is down, for the rest coin, alternative coin is up. You see. So that's season for you trading on alternative coin. That's from this 15 March up. Okay. So it have season for each main coin and alternative coins. Yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.